Could these sounds of torment coming from a newly viewed black hole provide evidence that it is the location of hell or the bottomless pit? This biblical prison is where powerful fallen angels are bound until they are set loose by God to torture and kill millions of the wicked shortly before Christ's return. Revelation speaks of this prison, and in the non-canonical book of Enoch, the angel Uriel shows the prophet the bottomless pit in hell. And the angel said in Enoch 18, I heard voices that were weeping and crying and lamenting and in great pain. To this place that you see shall be taken the spirit of sinners, blasphemers, and those who do evil. This describes perfectly the cries Nassau recorded coming from a black hole.